goods out the window. Somebody else could pick up that trash. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Uber Eats and some DoorDash if Uber Eats is not giving me good orders. I had a video I was editing and I was just declining a lot of orders, and I took a couple, and I figured like I had enough videos where I'm just declining, showing you guys what I look for when I want to accept an order, and I don't want any more of that negativity. You get what I'm saying? So today, I mean, hopefully we turn all that around. It is almost, well, it's 2:18, and I have a video meeting thing at 5 o'clock. So I'm hoping I can make some money within these 2.5 hours. I don't want to be too picky when it comes to my orders, because I feel like I am the most pickiest person. And I mean, besides justifying my orders to you guys, I mean, I mainly just do that to share with you, but I'm a pretty picky person when it comes to the miles per pay ratio. I'm gonna try not to be as picky about, the pay side. As long as the miles are low, maybe we could bust out a, oh my god, $10 for 0.7 miles? Okay. 0.7 miles at the McDonald's I am sitting at. So let me grab this one before it's gone. Okay, it just says this order. That was the sound that it does when the order has been canceled. We're already here. So while I go pick up this banging order, please give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and let's go make some money today. We got the goods. I did wait a couple minutes while they prepared it, but I was already here. So I got 2 orders on DoorDash. Not good. This is a leave at door and Ring doorbell. It looks like a house address. So in less than 10 minutes, I made $10. If that could continue like for the next 2 hours, bro, I would be golden. $2, 1.6 miles. Y'all know where that's going. All right, this one isn't too crazy. We're doing $6, 3.1 miles at the McDonald's I just picked up from. I was like passing it, but we are doing a U-turn and going back to get this $6.
Dr. Martin Luther.
Got the goods. Uber is sending me a $5 for 1 mile. I mean, I probably would have did that. I already got this DoorDash order, so we're gonna drop this one off first. Like I said, I'm not being too picky. I would have done that $5 order because the miles were there. It's a leave at door, so let's go leave it at their door. And that was $3.50 tip, so it came out to the $6 I was offered. Okay, I'm sitting waiting on another order. I did get an offer on Uber Eats, and it's clearly from a corner shop order, and it was $7 for 7 miles, and it was, I think, 8 items or something. But I'm not a fan of shopping, and if I do shop, I need it to be like a couple items and a couple miles for the $7. Oh, I just wanted to bring up that I am also obviously scheduled with Solo. So if I don't make their lowest guaranteed earnings, they will pay me the rest. I'll put some of the payments I received from them on the screen. They do pay out every following Tuesday for the previous week, and if you sign up with my link below, they'll start your account with $15. So they're that confident that you will most likely love using their app, and the more people that use it, the more areas it's available in, which is why I'm like trying to get a lot of people to sign up with it, because there are still areas that they don't work in yet, but when enough people in that area sign up and Solo starts seeing action from them, they will then do the guaranteed offers. But even if that's not available in your area, you'll still get all the other perks. I'm going to move. I was probably sitting here for Oh, it's a Zaxby's order. Nah. I was almost about to take it. $5, 3 miles. Not great, but I don't pick up from this Zaxby's. Alright, these apps have been so quiet until right now. 770 for 10 miles though. Like, that is not my journey. We're gonna move a couple streets over and oh, Wawa. Wait, no we're not. Maybe $6, 2.3 miles right here at the Wawa I am sitting at. I don't know if y'all can see that. So we won't be moving. We're gonna go get this order. Yeah, it's $6, 2.3 miles. It can't go up, but we're already here. I don't have to move now, so let's go get this order.
On the left.
All right, I got the goods. It is 4 monsters, 2.3 miles. It's a leave at door. Please leave on the bench. All right, I just parked at the McDonald's. I'm getting a Little Caesars order. Okay, it's $4, 0.8 miles. Let me know below if you would take this order, but honestly, even though it's 0.8 miles, I don't want the $4. So, I do realize that the orders are pretty spread out, which is not anything new for my area. But I know these are the hours that basically nobody wants to work because they're slow. So I would say like 1:30 to 4 or 4:30. It's just really slow because, you know, it's between breakfast and lunch, like I said. And school pickup, like people are already out and they're gonna swing through the drive-thru if they want some food. $12? No way. That $10 order went up to $12. The tip itself was $10. I was offered the $10. It came out to be to $12, so it was a whole $10 tip. And just like that, we're getting a $2 for $2.50 for 1 mile. And y'all know where that's going. Out the window. Somebody else could pick up that trash. Y'all, so I'm getting the order on both at the same time. $6 for 13 miles. That's gonna be a no. What does DoorDash have? $4.50 for 2.8 miles. Another bad one. Not as many miles, but another bad one. So declining both of those. I just got a message that I gotta go home a little earlier to get my son. My husband's not there, so I gotta be there for my son to get out of school anyways. So I'm trying. I got like 10 minutes, you know, and I'm trying to get this one last order. Y'all know how important that one last order is, and hopefully it's sending you towards your house. I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Hopefully we still get a order on the way home. I'll pop in some clips if we do. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I will be live every Sunday and then a random day throughout the week. So make sure you got your notifications on, because that's how you'll know. Once I go live, it'll come straight to your phone and let you know. Your girl Sarah is live. Come hang out. So I'm gonna end it here, and I will see you guys in my next one.